Hello guys, Mesh welcomes you. In this video we will learn about constraints. First of all we will go to Sketch. Select line and create random 2 lines. Now in menu bar go to Constraints. Click on horizontal vertical constraint. On arrow you can see symbol. Now click on line and see what happen. Do same for second line. Same thing will happen. Means when you click on line is automatically becoming vertical. Now we will draw other line and see. Oh, line become horizontal. But why? First 2 lines were vertical and this line became horizontal. Because of angle. When angle is greater than 45 degree it will convert line in vertical direction. Same way for lower angle from 45 will become horizontal. Draw one random line. Now go to Constraints and select Coincident. Select the endpoint of line and see what happen. Now draw circle and draw random line with intersecting point on circle. Select tangent from constraint. Select circle and line. Line will be automatically tangent to circle. Now select equal from constraints. Select both line. Second line will be equal to first line in length. You will be notice that when we apply constraints, constraint symbol will appear on sketch. If you want to remove it, just click on it and press delete from keyboard. Select parallel. Select lines. Second selected line will become parallel to first selected line. Same for perpendicular. Select lines. Lines will become perpendicular. Now select the midpoint constraints. Select line midpoint and other line endpoint. Line will automatically move to midpoint. Draw circle. Select concentric constraint. Select both circle. Circles will become concentric. Now select columnar constraint. Apply on lines. Both line will lie on same line. Draw line. Select symmetric constraint. Select 2 lines. And select symmetric line. Both line will become symmetric. Last one is curvature. It's used for smooth curves. Now I think you may have good knowledge on constraints. Goodbye. Thank you for watching video. I hope you learned something new. If you like it, hit the like button. Subscribe the channel for more updates. Knowledge is key to success.